Three cars at an uncontrolled intersection. Let's examine how the rules apply when three vehicles arrive at an uncontrolled intersection. The first and most important principle is order of arrival. If one vehicle clearly arrives before the others, that driver has the right of way. For example, if the red car arrives first, it proceeds through the intersection. The second car to arrive goes next, followed by the third. However, when two or more vehicles arrive at the same time, the yield to the right rule applies. Each driver must yield to the vehicle on their immediate right. In practice, this means the red car must yield to the blue car must yield to the green car, and the green car, with no one to its right, proceeds first. After the green car clears the intersection, the blue car goes, and finally, the red car. One additional principle must always be applied. Left turns must yield to oncoming traffic. Even if a vehicle arrives first, if it is turning left, it must allow all oncoming vehicles that are traveling straight or turning right to go first. For example, if the green car is preparing to turn left and the blue car is traveling straight through, the blue car has the right of way.